Good day, everyone. My name is Awe Ayodele Samson, a former student of OAU Pre-Degree, and of course, a former student of Akahi Tutors. You are welcome to Akahi Tutors Leife. On our screen today, we are going to stumble on some questions, and the question we are going to stumble on is biology. One of the questions that may be useful to you in JAMB, post-UTME, Pre-Degree, JUPEP, and others. So we are on biology today, and the question 6 here says that the cilia in paramecium are used for dash. The cilia in paramecium are used for dash. A. Respirating. B. Locomotion. C. Protection. D. Regulating food intake. And E. Excretion. So if we check those options, of course, respirating, the cilia in paramecium is not used for respirating. B, the cilia there is used for locomotion because it is the locomotory organ of paramecium. Of course, if we check the option E, which is the excretion, paramecium use contractile vacuole as an excretory organ, that is osmoregulator. So the best option in this question is for locomotion. Cilia in paramecium is serve as a locomotory organ. So the best option there is option B, locomotion. So for more intensive and explanation on this question, visit www.akahinews.org/biology or call Akahi Tutors on this phone number 08038644328. Thank you. So the next question here is question 7. The question says, Euglena may be classified as a plant because it is dash. Euglena may be classified as a plant because it is dash. Of course, Euglena has the characteristic of animal and a plant and a plant features. So, and what are the animal characteristic Euglena has is that they possess flagellum for locomotion, they possess gillet to ingest food, and of course, they possess pellicle for flexibility. So one of the functions, or let me say one of the features of Euglena as a plant is that they possess chloroplast to manufacture their own food in the presence of light. They possess peronode to store starch, and they also possess paramecium granule for the storage of starch. So the best option here, number 7, is option A. That is the plant characteristic of Euglena. They has chloroplast. Like I've said earlier, for intensive and more explanation on this question, visit www.akahinews.org/biology or call Akahi Tutors on this number you are seeing on the screen as 08038644328. Thank you. So the next question here is question 8. The question says, a trawler on a fishing tree caught a type of animal with hairs on his body. The animal could have been dash. A, an amphibian. B, a reptile. C, a shark. D, a mammal. And E, a seagull. So if we look at out of these animals here, an amphibian, a reptile, shark, one of the characteristics, these are one of the characteristics that distinguish mammals from all those classification of animals. Reptile does not have, of course, the reptile does not have ears. If you look at amphibians, they don't have hair. But one of the features that distinguish mammals from all other classifications is that they possess ears, they possess heterodont mode of nutrition, and it also distinguishes them from the option E there, which is a seagull, is that the possession of ears on their body, they possess heterodont mode of nutrition. So to cut short, the best option there is option D, a mammal. So for more explanation on this, you have to visit www.akahinews.org/biology. Thank you. So number 9, the question says, which of this type of skeleton is most appropriate for a cockroach? Option A says hydrostatic skeleton. Option B says exoskeleton. Option C says endoskeleton. D, cartilaginous skeleton. E, bony skeleton. If you check all those options there, my dear students, hydrostatic skeleton, we can see is a skeleton like a fluid-filled skeleton, and it's applicable to you can find them in earthworm and some sea animals. But if you check option B, exoskeleton, What is exoskeleton? Exoskeleton, they are the skeleton you can find outside a particular body of what? Of some invertebrates. See, endoskeleton, they are the skeleton you can find inside. They serve as a structure to support. But if you check D and E, cartilaginous skeleton and bony skeleton, you can find those skeleton in fishes. So the best option for this is option B, exoskeleton. So cockroach, the most appropriate skeleton for cockroach is exoskeleton, where they undergo molding or exedesis. Thank you. To need for more explanatory and more intensive explanation on this, visit akahinews.org/biology or call the number here you are seeing on the screen, 08038644328. Thank you. So the next question here is question 10. Says, when protein are broken down, they provide dash. When protein are broken down, they provide dash. Option A, oxygen. Option B, carbohydrate. Option C, energy. Option D, amino acid. And option E, carbon dioxide. Okay, if protein is broken down, they follow some series of sequence, and these sequences are from protein is being broken down from protein to peptones, and from peptones to polypeptide, and from polypeptide to amino acid. So the smallest unit of protein when they are being broken down is amino acid. They also provide amino acid. So the best option there is option D, amino acid. For more intensive and more explanation on this, visit www.akahinews.org/biology, and also you can call Akahi Tutors Ile-Ife on this number 08038644328. Thank you. You can also subscribe for this channel on YouTube and follow the link provided below this video. Thank you.